What if I told you that being fit isn't just about running fast or lifting heavy weights? Physical fitness is about executing daily activities with optimal performance, endurance, and strength. It's about managing disease, fatigue, and stress while reducing sedentary behavior. Cardiorespiratory endurance is key, indicating how well your body supplies fuel during physical activity. Activities like swimming, brisk walking, jogging, and cycling can elevate your heart rate and improve endurance. Regular engagement in these activities strengthens the heart muscle, allowing it to pump more blood per heartbeat. Persistent training changes the heart's efficiency, with endurance athletes showing expanded ventricles. Strength athletes, on the other hand, develop a thickened heart wall, particularly in the left ventricle. While the heart strengthens, the lungs become more efficient at using oxygen, enhancing overall health. Muscular strength is another component, built by consistently working muscles until they tire. Muscles contain contractile proteins, actin and myosin, which produce strength through coordinated contractions. Training increases muscle cell size and the production of these proteins, boosting power output. Muscular endurance is the ability to exert force without tiring, focusing more on cardiovascular efficiency. Endurance training promotes slow twitch fibers, which are ideal for long-duration activities. Body composition measures the relative amounts of muscle, bone, water, and fat in your body. You can maintain the same weight but change your muscle-to-fat ratio, impacting overall fitness. Flexibility, the range of movement across a joint, is crucial for smooth movements and injury prevention. Dynamic stretching prepares the body for activity, while static active stretching involves holding a stretch. Ballistic stretching, involving bouncing movements, should only be done when the body is warmed up. A daily stretching regimen can significantly improve whole body flexibility. Remember, embarking on any regular exercise will benefit your health, making you look and feel healthier.